Kaya mo na i-blow me? Sige, medyo, hindi ko abot. Mag-iso dali ko blow. Yan. Okay po. Sige. But, syempre, nakwento ng i-suggest kantahan mo natin ang birthday song ating celebrate for tonight. In 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday
To you.
One more
time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sana all.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Puring.
Happy birthday.
Yes, make a wish and blow that candle. Para pa ka naman.